Good morning and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. At the moment we're travelling down past Douglas here in County Cork. We didn't get a nosebleed coming over the border, which was unusual. We normally do. On the way to Cork Airport we're going to be taking a flight across the Puddle and heading for Southampton, where we're going to meet up with Draper Tools. So really looking forward to this. This should be good. So here with Steve out of MDT. And yeah, my ever faithful companions in the back there as well. So this should be good. It is an empty box, unfortunately.
Martin, are we alright to just do a little test down there? Yeah, alright, mate. Yeah, we go down. Who wants to be a victim then? We can
go on there, I'll video you doing it there.
What do we do? Just explain. So this tote has just gone past this scanner.
Right.
So it's red on there what order number, okay, what you need to pick. Now if you look around, so the arrow pointing down, it's telling you there's something on the other side. So now it's like this recognition, you get quite quick at finding the light. So you go down to the location there.
Oh yeah.
How many does it say on there? 2. Yeah, so pull 2 out. Hit the button, or someone hit the button. Okay, load them into the tote. Okay, and then you see that basically this switched green, so that means that's the only items in the order that are required, so you hit the green button.
And off it goes.
Jonathan, you've got a job.
Yeah.
If you pass the test, yeah, you're available next week.
And that's it, so like so all these are kept loaded all the time.
Yeah, so basically you've got a team, there's a computer system behind it that basically tells
That's
you
another one.
what the usage is.
So opposite side, go on Johnny.
So basically it can be anything up to that red line on the floor, anything down to the next
line
on the floor.
Now we have a purple light this time.
Yeah, so that means the purple light means it's the lower, so obviously these are together, so white
okay,
from here, purple down the bottom.
So one of those boys.
Well, I'm trusting that did say one on there.
Yeah.
It's gone green, so thank you very much. But these guys, I mean, when there's not so many people around on this, so
they're flying at this stuff.
So,
yeah.
Are they all weight?
Yeah, it's weight. There's a little.
But no, I was just saying, yeah, like that one was stopped and this one's way, like, and this one comes up.
But look at your line. Look at.
Yeah, basically, yeah. So what you've got to be careful is that you don't nudge these boxes because then it clocks the whole
thing out of order. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. But this one was able to stop 6 inches.
Yeah.
So this box is that.
So yeah, so you got that. Yeah, if you want to, there's one there. Yeah.
There's 2 of them there.
See, the red light means it's on the other side of the line. You see the yellow line next to you on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, that's section 1 across the line. So we're in section 2 here. So all we're picking is this one of these. So yeah, grab one of those.
So how do you know it's at the top?
Yeah, so it's at a box one. So in there.
This one here is for
right,
that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
That's a box of 6. So what we'd have to do if there's no loose ones, loose one in there. Yeah. Right. So
shows you'd be giving away stuff for that.
That's it. In the front box. Yeah, lots of profits there, won't we?
Yeah.
Green button.
All right, Charlie.
Comes in.
Down this side.
There, it's in front of you.
Oh, there you go, yeah. But I did.
It's in front of you, Johnny.
When we first launched this, I spent
How many are you looking for? Just the one?
Just the one, no?
Yeah.
Not a good grease gun, but sure.
So whoever's getting that grease gun, good luck. All the best from the drifters.
Big dirty greasy head.
Any plastic totes, they follow. There's another little U bend here. Plastic totes come all the way down, and then they follow the loop and go on the conveyor belt into another part of the warehouse. Cardboard box orders, so obviously they're now complete. And basically, what we call this is a packing station, which is basically putting airbags in. It's an infill, taping them up. The box will come down. It's a final weight check there to register the weight against the order. And then you've got a label applicator there, so just label up.
Isn't it? But imagine how many people were here, let's say, to do that job 40 years ago, you know what I mean?
A few years back, so this stall's up and running, switched on July last year.
Okay.
Our biggest challenge was we had 12,000 pallets up on this floor that we had to get rid of. Now bear in mind our warehouse was at full capacity. Where do you lose 12,000 pallets? You know, so we had some really good deals, having to clean stuff out, drop stuff out, and just enable us to get the racking in and what we do, so to say the static racking behind here, the guys here, when an order stops, you'll pick this side, as you did what we did over there in that example, and then if it says it'll have an indicator that you've got to use an RF scanner, and then it'll load the load. You scan the tote, and then it'll tell you what locations to go to.
Oh, so you can go down. Yeah.
You see, we've got these little shopping trolleys. Yeah, they're really useful because if you're picking 12 items, there's only
you're just popping up,
whacking the trolley in and out of the lane. And put them on. So, while there's loads of totes going through, we're nip through to the next section.
This is no trouble.
See our conveyor belt come down. It's 4:44 in the afternoon. Now Draper, we have a cut-off time of 3 o'clock for the next day orders. So usually around this time it is mental, and I'd be worried if that wasn't around. But it's our busiest time, you know. So we'll come back in half an hour. We'll probably be 4 trolleys deep out here. Staff get pulled across from other areas of the warehouse
to get this all finished.
All the orders and try and get as much out the door as possible on the today. Following the journey of the conveyor belt. Cardboard boxes from the
Talk about products. As far as I can see and as high as I can see, basically. Unbelievable. Out she goes, man. insane. Oh man. And into the back of the truck. That's the conveyor right in. Conveyor's right into the truck, yeah. I love that strapping now, that's unreal. Tom, it's another morning. We're not well though. we're not half as enthusiastic as we were yesterday. So this morning we're heading across to the visitor centre. This is where we're going to see pretty much, I think, the full range of what Draper do, from the red line all the way through the Draper Tools and up to the Draper Expert. We were going to get a sneak peek in there last night, but we decided no, we'll hold back and get the full experience today. So it's right across from the Draper factory, and it seemingly is absolutely savage, so looking forward to it. We do have a full crew of very sick people this morning because we did decide to do the dog on it last night, and yeah, it's all good.
I spoke to him about an hour and a half ago, and he's down in Cornwall doing his opera.
Look at
this.
this.
Give me a car, we don't pay your fuel bill. Yeah. Buy you a car.
Yeah, I'll go do that.
We'll make it look a bit more impressive.
Wow. This is insane.
Oh man.
There you go. Well, we've got a set. Yeah, this Lewis.
This is nuts. Okay, everybody loves the toolbox.
Looking better, isn't it?
This is insane.
So it's not quite one of everything, but it's a good representation of what's in the range and that. So.
There's a few bits missing, like the top box off of here is missing at the moment. Purely because we've sold so many boxes in the last couple of months. We'd
rather sell it than display it.
That box,
that makes sense,
it's
yeah.
actually back in stock. I was up at Baddesley yesterday, and they're all back in stock, so that will come back over here. But yeah, no, you know, you've got a good old selection in there, definitely.
All that expert stuff is savage. Like. There's the bar for Smiler anyway. 1 metre. Stand there with your big tool there, Johnny.
I go over taking the fucking Smiler there.
Yeah. Go on over the Smiler for the crack. Johnny has his big tool.
You know what they say, guys? If you've got big nuts, you need a big spanner.
I'll tell you one thing. Holy Jesus.
I'll just show you something else that might be interesting. If you see the a bi-hex or a hex, it's actually a spline almost type driver, but it's a multi-drive socket. And what I can show you here, this is some sockets I've cut off just to show you. So it doesn't matter whether it's a hexagon, it will fit. So it won't matter whether it's metric, it won't matter whether it's Whitworth, it won't matter whether it's BSF, i.e. the Old English sizes. The same socket will fit everything. It will also fit Torx. It will also even fit on a square. It will also fit on a ribe. And it will fit on a spline.
Nuts.
Wow.
It's a great time for you're not like this.
really good. Well, you've got the close to the rim, but you don't want to touch the rim. So, absolutely brilliant. And it will really work. And with the full wheels, obviously, it stands more chance of centering itself.
We were talking to guys in QA yesterday, they were saying like that's a 2.5 ton jack, but that is going to relieve at something like 4 ton or...
It'll be tested. It's tested to way above. Again, these steel jacks here, because they're not too heavy, these two steel jacks, we do it in grey and in blue.
Yeah.
There's no difference between the two of them, is there?
No, just colour.
Yeah.
Plasma cutter. Oh, there it is. That is some welder. Oh, they're gorgeous.
It's cool as fuck.
Yeah. We need to test one of these, Charlie. But that's my welder. That's a brilliant piece of kit for...
This is going to go over here now, it should do. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you, get hold of it properly. I'm going to put this over here, and what I'm going to do is it doesn't need to be touching, it can be in, just hold it in the middle, and I'm going to hold this button down.
Look at it.
And I'm holding this button down, and can you see already, so only 20 seconds is needed, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so I'm holding that, I'm going to take it off, you can see that there, I'm going to quickly put that up there. I'm going to see if I can get my pliers a bit quick, and I want to adjust this spanner, and...
That's insane.
You know when you've got that specialist job to do at home, and you haven't got the spanner to fit, if you've got this tool, you make your spanner to fit. So...
Just back at MDT now after a pretty epic weekend, I have to say, over in Draper Tools. Certainly a lot more tired today, a little bit more subdued, but really cool now. Amazing to see all that stuff, and really enjoyed it. Thanks to Draper Tools for having us over. Thanks to Jim and Charlie for organising it. Really amazing trip. I recommend it if you're in the area around there. Drop into that visitor centre if you get a chance, because wow, it really is mind-blowing to see all that stuff. So as I say, thanks very much. Thanks to you guys for watching. We'll talk to you soon, and hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.